Welcome to the Southern Region Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRIS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Southern Region housing market, which includes these areas. The nation added 175,000 jobs in February, beating expectations despite the weather. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, education, and health services. The U.S. unemployment rate increased slightly to 6.7% in February from 6.6% in January. However, this increase was primarily due to an increase in the labor force, indicating more people are looking for work than last month. Activity in the national housing market was largely stalled as this winter continues to be unusually severe. Existing home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels, but new home sales improved from last year. Rising prices and interest rates continue to be sources of uncertainty, but have been overshadowed by the winter weather. Updated local employment data is not available this month due to re-benchmarking by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. In February, buyer activity slowed, but seller activity continued to improve. There were 312 closed sales in February, 9% fewer than last year. New pending contracts also decreased, falling 6.7% from the prior year to 533 contracts in February. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and has now shown consecutive year-over-year increases for the last 9 months. The number of active listings increased 17% from last year, rising to 2,192 listings at the end of February. Even with this increase, inventory remains tight and is only 38% of its 2007 peak. There were 718 new listings in February, 7% more than this time last year. The median sales price reached its highest February level in 6 years. As compared to last year, it increased 10.6% to $229,950. Median days on market for the region is now 63 days, 18 days more than this time last year. February continued January's pattern of a sluggish housing market, likely due to weather. Both closed sales and new pending contracts decreased, but active listings and new listings increased. Overall inventory remains low, which is contributing to median sales price growth. As the weather finally moderates with spring, look for buyers and sellers to become much more active. That's the Southern Region's Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.